Yes, but first, the giga economy, of course, a play on gig economy and gigafactories where Tesla manufactures its batteries. But essentially, we're hearing more and more about the electrification of everything, and lithium-ion batteries are the key. Cowen forecasts the total addressable market reaching $370 billion by 2035. The firm noted the industry is at the cornerstone of several mega themes that will ultimately drive interest from energy, tech, auto, and industrial investors. And that's because batteries are needed for all of these sectors to decarbonize. In terms of who benefits, Albemarle, Lithium Americas, and Piedmont are among the names developing lithium resources in the U.S. Within battery assembly, there's, of course, Tesla, as well as other OEMs. That includes Ford, which recently announced a partnership with SK Innovation for an $11 billion investment to build 2 new battery plants in Kentucky. Now, overall, Cowen forecasts lithium battery demand growing 21% per year through 2035. Now, that total market size can support newer companies as well, with the firm pointing to battery makers Enovix and Freyr, both of which went public in the last few years via SPACs. But of course, Brian, newer companies come with their own risks and potentially unproven technologies.
Okay, in the Inflation Reduction Act, there's a lot in there. There's a lot of policy support. I would imagine some tax credits for this industry, for renewables, for minerals. Is it moving the needle on production at all?
So it's certainly important to have that, that signal at the highest level. And last week, Biden announced, around $3 billion in new grants, including to Albemarle and Piedmont. But it doesn't address one of the key hurdles, which is permitting. And as we've spoken about before, that gets in the way of basically every large-scale infrastructure project. So having that support is key, but then permitting provides a whole lot of challenges as well.
It does. And I believe Albemarle got, I think, $100 million plus in it to help reopen that.
Exactly.
The High Mountain mine in North Carolina, which, by the way, used to be the biggest lithium mine in the world till we shut it down because the U.S. didn't realize that we actually needed lithium.
Yeah, and that's a brownfield mine. So because it was previously in production, they're hoping that that will speed along the process. They also have the processing plant. Piedmont Lithium looking at a greenfield mine in North Carolina. But once again, there are a lot of steps that these companies have to clear to get these operations up and running.
Listen, here's the weird thing about the green revolution. It's all rooted in mining. That's the weird thing. Pippa Stevens, thank you very much.